Hello, today I'm making my delicious pineapple chicken. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. In a big mixing bowl, we have chicken. Bone in, skin on. 1 kg, that is 2.2 pound. 2-star anise. 1 tablespoon of garlic. 1 tablespoon of ginger. 2 teaspoons of black pepper. 1 can of pineapple. We're going to put the pineapple in. And the pineapple juice from the can. It's better to use canned pineapple, not fresh pineapple. 1 can of Sprite or 7-Up. Two tablespoons of light soy sauce. Mix and cover. Minimum 2 hours, but better tomorrow. In the fridge it goes. See you later. We'll also need 1 cup onion, 1 tablespoon garlic, 1 tablespoon ginger, 3 tablespoons ketchup, 3 cups bell peppers, cut them chunky. I've taken the chicken out of the marination. We have 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to put in the garlic and the ginger. And now the onion. Just mix it, high heat, 2 minutes. Now we're going to put the chicken in for 4 or 5 minutes. We're doing this to just put a little color in the chicken. Now we're going to pour in the marination. Now we're going to put in the ketchup. Medium heat, 15 to 20 minutes. Now you can see it has reduced. It looks delicious. One more thing. Turn off the heat, put the peppers, a little mix, ready to serve. So there we have it, delicious pineapple chicken. Lots of love.
Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.